Mystery is what defines Earth. Well, my dear students, this entire topic is not just a topic. It's the answer to many of your questions which you have come across. But those answers will have to take a pause, because first we'll understand the textual explanation of what de Broglie hypothesis really means, followed by de Broglie wavelength. So here we are. Belief. Before 1901, like say almost 120 years back, okay, radiation of the energy was in the form of continuous electromagnetic waves. A spectrum which is continuously like a wave nature. But then the drawbacks were this wave nature failed to explain the discrete nature of radiation. When you ask me discrete nature, this is the whole idea of black body. Black body radiation is a discrete in nature. No idea. Then in year 1901, this handsome fellow, hey buddy, you remember? Yeah, from our previous model, Max Planck, he gave the idea of quantum theory, and he told that the energy is in terms of photons, bundle, quanta. So these were, wow, all the photons here and there together. Amazing idea. Thank you. But what happened? The advantage was that this theory could easily explain black body radiation, and it could also explain the photoelectric effect. Oh my god, wow. Imagine the light coming, the electron getting energy, electron getting excited, and then they flow, then the current tick, we get it. Wow, perfect. It could also explain something called a spectral series of hydrogen atom, which we have seen this in our darling. Then we have also understood the Compton effect. Now this Compton effect is a little bit out of your syllabus, but still it is related to your excitation and de-excitation. Okay. But the phenomena like diffraction. What is diffraction? The bending of light. The phenomena like interference. What is interference? Two coherent sources interfering to form bright and dark pattern. And polarization. That means orientation of electric field and magnetic field, or two vectors going ahead in the third direction. This couldn't be explained by the particle nature. So the wave theory also failed. The particle theory also failed. No, they didn't fail. Why can't the energy have both the relation? Why can't the energy be a wave? Why can't the energy be a particle? So ladies and gentlemen, we assume that the whole radiant energy, we means the scientists all along, assume that the entire energy is in terms of D-U-A-L-N-A-T-U-R-E, dual nature. That's the whole idea. And for duality, this is the whole thing, fire and ice. Now that's what our topic is all about. It's all about fire and ice, yin and yang, two opposite things coming at one place. So let's understand the whole topic of duality. And this idea was given by Louis de Broglie. Salute to you. I love you, man. Amazing person. He suggested, like radiation, particles also exhibit something called as dual nature. For example, I am matter, I am mass. But if I start moving, I will start getting converted to wave. I will have a wave. You'll ask, where is the wave? There is a wave. There is a wave. Can you see it? No, you can't. There is a reason. Next lecture, you'll understand. So the particle exhibit dual nature. It means that particle has a nature of being a particle, has a mass, and it also behaves like a wave. Now when people asked why, he told nature is full of symmetry. For example, everything is in duality. Now what is everything? How everything came into place? They will know, understand later. But then everything is in duality. The wavelength of particle is inversely proportional to the momentum. Lambda is inversely proportional to P. Lambda is equal to h by P. Now, what exactly is lambda? That is called de Broglie wavelength. What is h? Planck's constant. What is P? Linear momentum. And even we know that. But how this formula came into place? Where are the proof? And sir, you told us about something called as the existence of universe and God and everything. Where is that? You will shortly see in my next module. Stay tuned and get energized and get ready for a nice revelation. See you all.